There's going to be a couple turns. As soon as I start sketching it out and I have a broad understanding of what I want it to look like, I start reviewing all the different fabrication methods that I have in my tool chest. I started making computer mods because I wanted to be a better fabricator. I wanted to challenge myself. I wanted to learn new methods. I wanted to really get good with 3D programming. Best way that I could think how to do that would be to combine two different passions. You have to use a lot of the world around you. This specific case was inspired a lot from the first Dune book and a lot of the visuals from the Dune movie that just came out. I think I make most of the cases open air because I enjoy that sort of minimalistic style to the case. I don't want to hide things away. I think that there's a lot of beauty to the actual inner organics to the case, the tubes, the components, all the pieces of copper, like, you know, that is what actually makes the computer, and that's what I think is important to look at. I don't want to put it in a box. I don't want to forget what's behind it. I want them to be able to feel something unique. I want them to pick up the case, pick up the product, and know that it was made with intent, that it was carefully considered construction, that nothing on it, for the most part, is by accident. There's intent behind every little piece of it. And there's a quality to it, and I really try to put my heart and soul into the product. I want to be proud of what I create. Oh man, that EATX motherboard, that was really cool. I've gotten to play around with a lot of high-end parts, but that specific EATX motherboard was so unique. The way that it was carefully thought out. the way all the connectors were sort of placed throughout the motherboard, the way that they used these proprietary RGB cable connectors really cleaned up the RGB process. The fan ports, like, you know, overall, I use this word carefully considered when I talk about a lot of our work. That motherboard was carefully considered. There's a lot of similarities between like the maker movement and, you know, the modern fabricator. A lot of the times you just have to, you only have the tools at your disposal, and it's really your creativity that you need to use to create new tools. You know, anything that's used to, you know, bend or fabricate or cut with metal is normally also metal. You have all the tools here. You just have to figure out how to put it together. To the rest of the community, to the rest of the people that are interested in building a PC or PC modding, or creating art in general, like, don't be afraid to be authentic. That's what makes good art. That's what makes good mods. Authenticity, nothing else. I'm Eric from Yuel Beast Designs.